Continuing back with our class on CUET PG 2026 Disaster Management Solutions. The question here talked about in 1975, a model bill on floodplain zoning was circulated to the state governments in India. Which of the following is not the feature of the model bill? So the model bill talked about the zoning authorities, the restrictions and the compensation, but it nowhere dealt with rehabilitation. It was with an objective of preventive rather than reactive bill. So focusing on the issues and dealing with it was some of the basic aspects that was identified. So rehabilitation was not part of it. The next is an event causing great or unusual damage or suffering is called as a catastrophe, and catastrophe is a common disaster vocabulary which is commonly used with disaster management. Emergency is a sudden situation. It does not mean that there is a huge amount of damage in an emergency situation. Calamity is a natural phenomena that could actually lead to the impact, right? So it's again not necessary that a calamity could lead to a sudden damage. So it's a damage which is all of the sudden, and therefore it is considered as a catastrophe. The next is which of the following is not a main cause of meteorological drought. Now meteorological drought, first of all, let's understand when we talk about drought can be classified into various types. First is meteorological, hydrological, agrological or socio-economic drought. Meteorological is strictly defined when we are talking about the reduction or the deficiency in the rainfall in a given region, typically when the season's rainfall is less than 75% of the normal rainfall, right? So what could be the reason for it? There could be break in monsoon. There could be late onset of monsoon, or the monsoon goes off early, so early withdrawal. There could be lean monsoon or reduced monsoon. All of these would affect the meteorological drought, but not the decrease in the surface water. So this is a incorrect option. The next is which of the following should not be done during an earthquake? During an earthquake, you must remain calm. Take cover under a desk, bench or a corner of the room near the pillar, so that when the pillar overturns, you are the one who are protected. Okay, do not run through or near the buildings. All of these are correct, but keeping adequate water stocked at accessible place would not help during an earthquake, because you have to run all of the sudden, and this is a kind of simple logic question rather than a question which requires more knowledge based concept, right? The next question is which of the following scale is not used to measure the intensity of an earthquake? Now it's important. Rossi-Forel, Modified Mercalli and Medved scale, all of these are used to measure the intensity. However, the graphical scale is not used to measure the intensity. Now each of these scales we would discuss in our class comprehensively on disaster management, so you can refer the lecture for more detail. Now the graphical scale is not a intensity scale. It is a general term which is used with the cartographic scales, where you are trying to draw a map and create a graphical scale which is usually seen below the maps, where you see the kilometers or the meters being arranged. So understanding the cartographic versus seismographic maps are again or scales are again important here. So this was one of the questions that has been asked. To practice the complete set of questions, refer exam PYQ below. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.